Hi guys, I'm with another question related to RHCE exam 294 version 9 practice exam. We are doing practice, okay? So question number 3, install the collection, create a directory collection under slash home slash student slash Ansible. And this is our working directory, and under this directory, we have to create this collections directory, okay? But in our case, we have already created my collections. So you have to use the same which you will be given in the exam, okay? The same name you have to use, and you will be given URL to install Ansible project and to install roles collection and community general. Sometime guys in the exam you are given only one URL, and like this, this is a URL, okay? And they ask question like this, uh, like Ansible POSIX, install Ansible POSIX, then community general, then rel system roles. This is how sometime you are given in the exam. But what you have to do, if this is like this one URL, every time you will run the command, I'm going to show you on the server node. So you will put this here and install it. And then next time your URL will remain the same because you have only one URL, and you will just put this here and install it, okay? So third time you will do this, right? So uh, if you are given separate URL for each, you have to use that one. So let's go to our machine and I show you how you will install them. And in my case I have URL, because if you do not install these Ansible POSIX and community general, you will not be able to find module like firewall D, mounted, parted, okay? So you will have to install these things. And Ansible navigator, this is the command you will run, uh, and sorry, Ansible Galaxy, then collection install, we are installing actually, and then you have to put that URL. Oh, sorry, it's a long path. Then you have to put this flag. Our collections directory name is this, okay? So just hit enter. I already have installed this, but I just wanted to show it. So this is how you will do. And next thing, you will put the other path. uh, Hyphen, sorry, Let me clear it. Okay, just let me clear it so that you can see it easily. It will not install because I have already installed it. I just wanted to show you this is how you have to do this. And Guys, I would suggest you one thing here. You better give the full path just in case, okay? You can, while you are in this directory, you can do only my collections also, but better you give the full path here, okay? This is how you can do like this. So I've shown you everything. Now just to confirm if my collections are installed, so you have to run this command. This is the recommended way, but you can, I first show you another thing. Like we have this directory, my collections. I'm going to take you this directory first and show you everything is there. ls, look here, Ansible collection. So go to Ansible collection. Under Ansible collection, we have Ansible and Ansible community. Community is there, but uh, under this Ansible directory, you can see we have POSIX. But this is not the recommended way. I show you another thing which you should do to confirm that it's done. Okay. So for this, you have to let me clear it first so that you could see it. Ansible Navigator and then collections. This is the word collections. Okay, run this. Okay, guys, once you see this, okay, this result, it means everything is good. Okay, if you don't see, then there is something wrong. Fix that and then move forward. So we are out of this screen. I have opened another terminal just to show you that once Ansible doc, like if we want to see this module, yes, we are able to, get to this module after installing collections. Okay, it's good now. So this is how you have to, I mean, open two terminal. I'll give you tips later on. This is all about this question, guys, and if you think that this is helpful for you, please share this video to other people so that they should also get benefit, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could get the notification of the new stuff I'm going to create for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye, guys.